If you're having trouble downloading files, photos, or videos in Telegram, you're definitely not alone. And today, I'm going to walk you through every step you need to solve those stubborn Telegram downloading issues once and for all. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot the problem, fix common causes, and get your Telegram app downloading smoothly again. Let's jump right in and start solving. First things first, let's tackle some basic checks and quick troubleshooting. One of the simplest things you can do is restart the Telegram desktop app, but it's important to do this fully, not just close the window. You'll want to right-click the Telegram icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen, then choose Quit. This makes sure the app actually closes, stopping any background processes that might be stuck. Now go ahead and restart your computer. Giving both Telegram and your PC a fresh start can often clear out minor glitches that cause download issues. Once you're back on your desktop, open Telegram again and test downloading. If it's still not working, let's check your internet connection. Download issues are often tied to connectivity problems, so take a moment to try downloading a file from another website, maybe a photo from a cloud drive or a small piece of software. If that works, try Telegram Web in your browser at webtelegram.org. If files download normally there, the problem is likely with your desktop app, not the internet itself. But if nothing's downloading, that hints at a wider internet issue. If your connection seems shaky, restart your internet router. Power it off, wait for 30 seconds, and switch it back on. A simple router reset can fix a surprising number of network glitches. I know it feels a little old school, but it really does help more often than you'd think. Now, moving on to your Telegram app itself, sometimes a jammed-up cache causes download problems. Go ahead and open Telegram, then head to Settings, choose Data and Storage, find Storage Usage, and tap Clear Cache twice. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't erase your chats or files. It just removes temporary data that might be causing issues behind the scenes. Think of it like giving your app a chance to breathe and reorganize. Let's double-check your automatic download settings while we're here. Go to Settings again, then Advanced, and look for any options related to automatic downloads. If you find them enabled, either disable them temporarily or customize the settings for the types of files you're trying to receive. Sometimes restrictive settings can block downloads without you realizing. Tweaking these controls can open the door to the files you've been waiting for. If none of the basic steps helped, it's time for a few advanced strategies. Try reinstalling Telegram. Uninstall the app completely from your computer, then grab the latest version directly from the official Telegram website and install it. This ensures you've got a fresh, up-to-date copy without any corrupted files. Another useful thing to check is your firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes these programs get a little overprotective and block Telegram's downloads by mistake. As a quick test, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, then try downloading in Telegram again. If it works, you'll need to set up an exception for Telegram in your security program settings so it's not blocked in the future. Remember to re-enable your protection after testing. Security always comes first. Finally, if you're in a country or network where Telegram is restricted, downloading might be blocked at the network level. In this case, using a trustworthy VPN can help you bypass those barriers and restore normal downloading. Just connect to another location and try again. Those are all the key solutions that should cover most Telegram download issues. Take it slow, go step by step, and you'll be back to downloading in no time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and leave a comment below if you still have questions or run into something unusual. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides. I'm here to help you get the most out of your apps every week. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.